Good day, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Justin Rothbard, my brand is Auction One. Auction One specifically specializes in the sale of properties by virtue of public auction. Another exciting find, we're back in Milner Estate. It will be 2 weeks from now, 9th of February 2023, 10 a.m. on site for this home. A little bit of history. These were generally the council houses and folk within the area rented from council. Then they were sold off to members who had stayed in them for a lengthy period of time, and now they've proven to become very, very worthwhile purchases due to their proximity to schools, hospital, town, CBD and public transport. The house I'm talking about is still stock standard, one of the original Milner Estate spec type homes. Inside we've got 3 medium-sized bedrooms, a nice sized lounge, family bathroom, and then you've got the actually spacious kitchen. It's got a storeroom inside as well. The house needs total renovation. So if you're creative or you're into speculating property, buying, renovating, reselling, this is going to be the property for you. As I say, it needs everything redone on it, a revamp of note. Potential I see, definitely on the outside to my left, a massive garden. Can you take advantage of that? Possibly build a second unit over there. I look forward to seeing you at our auction. We know it's going to be competitive and we look forward to your support. Keep well.